Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the blurry icons on your Windows. So let's start the process without wasting our time guys. Let me show you. I'm also getting the blurry, as you can see here, the icons and fonts. So we can easily fix that. You just need to search here view advanced, and once you search here view advanced system setting, just click on that option, first link here. Additionally, you can search here run, and you can hit this command sysdm.cpl. This is a shortcut command to open this. Now once you open that, go to advanced tab here, then go to settings and simply choose this option. Let Windows choose what is best for my computer. Okay, and make sure this option is tick here, smooth scroll list, not this one, this one, smooth edge of screen fonts. This is very important. Just tick this option, and even you can choose this option, first one, then click on apply, then click on OK, and then click on OK. Now you can see my icon has been changed to normal. Now you can see it's looking normal now. So this is the first step. Okay, now let's move on to the second method. You need to type a clear text, and once you type here clear type text, just click on that option, then click on next. Select here which is looking best for you. It is also looking that option. Next. Now choose the best option which is looking from your point of view, and then you can choose next, and you can choose which one is looking good, then next. Now it's done. Now just reboot your computer from here, and thereafter your issue will be fixed. If this is also unable to fix your issue guys, you need to make sure that the display setting is okay on your system. Sometime display, this option display setting, open that up and choose here scaling for recommended one, and also display resolution should be, choose a recommended option here. Okay, and then go to advanced display and choose this option. Let me go back once. You should have option of I don't have that option guys. You need to select that option. I'm not recalling that option, but that is recommended for the display advanced. Under the advanced display setting, refresh rate, yeah, refresh rate you need to set up to highest one, as you can see here showing up here, fit for more display refresh rate. Okay, choose the refresh rate as recommended and the highest, and once you apply the change guys, I'm pretty sure your issue will be fixed. So this is a fix to fix this issue guys. I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.